Incorporating Perio Restore professional at-home treatment system into your practice is easy. Within weeks, your patients will experience biofilm reduction, fresher breath, potential teeth whitening, and an overall healthier smile. Here's how. Step 1. Find a perio patient in need of your help. This should be daily. Over 75% of the population has some form of periodontal disease. Start with an accurate 6-point perio probe and record it in the patient's chart for later use by the DenMat lab. Next, take a full arch impression of your patient's mouth. Single arches are also available. We recommend using a single-step monophase impression material like DenMat Splash Medium Body Viscosity to ensure an accurate impression and help avoid any delays in the lab. Step 2. Now that you have your patient's impressions ready, fill out the Perio Restore lab prescription form. Step 3. Package your sterilized impressions with a completed prescription form to mail to the DenMat lab. If you're sending in multiple cases, we recommend you write the name of each patient on the impression and the impression bag before sending them in to allow for accurate processing once they are received at the lab. Step 4. Mail your patient package to the DenMat lab. Once we receive your patient's case, our experienced team will digitally scan and add in Perio Restore's unique interproximal reservoirs using our special 3D imaging service. Within 7 business days, the Perio treatment trays are packaged in the patient care kit and ready to be sent back to your office. Step 5. Once you have received your patient care kit, we recommend labeling the patient's information on the back of each kit to make it easier for you and your staff to find a patient's case when needed. Step 6. Sit chairside with your patient and cover any questions they may have. Have them try on the tray for fit. It's important to confirm proper fit to ensure they are comfortable with daily use of the Perio Restore at-home treatment system. DenMat offers multiple marketing tools to help you accomplish this for each and every patient's success. Within weeks, your patients will experience biofilm reduction, fresher breath, potential teeth whitening, and an overall healthier smile. Congratulations! If you have any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call at 800-433-6628 or visit us at denmat.com. We're here to help.